Aloha mai and e komo mai. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a really special haul here up on Mokunui on Hawaii Island, aka Big Island. So I'm going to do a haul video today, and it is a good one because it's one of my favorite stores and it's the first store to be here on this island, on Big Island. So I'm going to do a TJ Maxx haul. Yes, you heard that right. I said we never had a TJ Maxx here on Hawaii Island. So this is the first store here in Hilo on this island. Why is my cat on my dresser? I don't know. He's gonna knock down things and something's gonna break. I'm from Oahu, as you guys should know by now, I think. Watch my 50 facts about me tag if you didn't. And get to just know me. Oahu, I think, has like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 or 5 TJ Maxx stores already there, and this is the first, and it just opened. Our grand opening was this past Thursday. I'm just so happy. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna show you is the first. Oh my gosh, I just ripped the bag. So you know, here in Hawaii Island, or here in Hawaii, we don't use plastic bags anymore. It's either reusable or paper bags, because you know, we all about saving the environment. You know, malama aina, take care of the land. We get paper bags up in here. They rip when you fill it up too much. First day, I got pineapple. Look, mommy's filming. Look, I'm filming. Oblivious. Okay, don't mind my son. He got scoldings from his daddy, so he's being a little grumpy. Alrighty then. First thing I got is this pineapple case. It looks like this. It's from the brand called Casery. I've never heard of it. I honestly thought it was Caseify or whatever. Looks like this. As you can see, it was $18, but it's $12.99. I love it. It's a clear case and it just has like a pineapple head, but I hate it at the same time because I don't know. It says that it's drop tested, but I don't know. The top part of it isn't as raised up as my Sonic cases. And I drop this phone a lot and it's still always good. I always use Sonic cases like for every single iPhone I've ever had. Never cracked with them. So this one wasn't as raised where the screen is. I'm going to probably return this, but I wish I don't have to, and I'm afraid though. I don't want to like chance it and have to like buy a whole new iPhone X because, or iPhone 10, whatever. Okay, next thing. Okay, are these bag ties that are cat shaped and it's like their tongue. So basically, like you can see right there, you can tie chip bags or any kind of bags with their tongue and it pulls out. This thing was only $2.99, I believe. $2.99, originally $4. So you can use it for flowers, for napkins, for cables. Like really, why would you use it for cables? Honestly, I'm using this for chip bags or any kind of snack bags. And I love cats, so yeah. Okay, next I got this makeup brush cleaner. It looks like this. This was $3.99, originally $6 or something. It looks like this. Of course, if I had a cat one, I would be all up on that. That was like the cutest one I seen, so I was like, okay, I'll get that. I'm also just grabbing things as we go. I'm not like, I look so ugly. I got this t-shirt dress in a camel print. So it's a super cute. I'm very particular with camel prints. I like this type of camel print, like the dully look. Like it looks dull. It's not like a vibrant print. I like it more like black, just more deep and dark. Sorry, the light is like, this was only $12.99. Super good price. I know camel print is like pretty in for fashion, but here in Hawaii, camel print is like ever since I feel like it's almost like the equivalent of people that live in like country areas like in Texas and all that stuff. Like they grew up wearing camel print. Here in Hawaii, it's the same thing. We grow up wearing camel print. It goes back to our parents or just family members being hunters, and like that's just culturally, like we are hunters and we just buy a lot of camel print stuff. I also got some earrings, which I'm wearing right now. They're basically square studs that are, I think it's like rose gold trimming with like obviously fake diamonds. I think it was $14.99. I always get earrings from TJ Maxx because I just love the way they look. I love the circle ones, I love the square ones. Those are my favorite, and I always seem to lose them, but TJ Maxx always has them. So next I have in here. It wrapped it up in tissue. Oh yeah, it's my sunglasses. You would not believe, I did not know that TJ Maxx sells like really high brand stuff. Like these Key, yes, you heard it, Key, oh, why do I look crooked? Key Australia sunglasses. It still looks crooked. Do I have a crooked head? They look like this. They're like very cat eye. They're mirrored. They have a bit of like a sea green tint to it. Oh, it kind of matches like, kind of matches my green, you know. I love the cat eye look. This, it was only $14.99. Normally, Key sunglasses are normally about like 70 bucks, so still deal. Next I got is something wrapped up in paper as well. Oh yes, I got this pineapple picture frame. It's so cute and it's only $4.99. Oh, so cute. It already has like some kind of quote in here, but you know me, I'm just gonna be like a pineapple hand and shove my face in there, or my kids, so yeah. Okay, what else did I get? Oh yes, like I said, I didn't know that TJ Maxx sold high brand stuff, so when I saw this Anastasia Aurora highlight or glow kit palette, I was like, what? Yeah, this was the most expensive thing that I bought at TJ Maxx. It was $24.99. But look at this, look at this. Whoa, look at that. These are the colors. Looks like this. Let me put some shimmer. I feel like Luna. So I'm super happy that I scored myself an Anastasia Beverly Hills glow kit because everyone seems to have these. You can only get them online here in Hawaii. So yes. Okay, and then the last thing I got on the first day. This is the first day only now. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is like the second expensive thing. It's $19.99. This is a really long jeans jacket. Like I'm talking like super long, past your butt kind of long. Super cute. If I can put it on, maybe I'll insert that clip. Maybe I'll do that, like, yeah. It's super long. It has like no rips, which is nice because I already have another jeans jacket that has rips in it, and this is nice just to have a plain jeans jacket. But in the back is what sold me. Look at this. It has Lumiere from Beauty and the Beast on the back, and then it says light my fire, light my fire. So the next day I went in, didn't buy as much stuff as the first day. So I got this kale chips. I've never tried kale chips before. These were only $2.99. They had like a jalapeno kale chip flavor, but I got this one. It's pretty interesting. Tastes pretty good. Everyone seems to be buying it. Next I got some beauty related things. I got this cucumber under eye anti-wrinkle serum. I never had any of these. This was only $3.99. I originally was looking for a under eye cream because I really need a nighttime or under eye, any kind of under eye cream. So I found this, like this is the cheapest one. I don't know, I just felt like I was spending so much money and I don't want to spend like $10, I don't know, on eye cream, even though that's probably like super cheap. I don't know. And then I got my favorite makeup wipes. They're the Alba with the Hawaiian 3-in-1 clean towelettes with pineapple enzyme, and I love this. They used to sell this at Target. Target, what did you do? You took it away from me and you no longer sell it. So now I have to go to TJ Maxx, which I don't care because I love TJ Maxx, and I bought them. I bought some clothes. You already seen it already. When I was passing through like the lingerie aisle because I was just looking at clothes, I seen this print and I was just like, I need to try this on, see if it really looks cute, if it doesn't look too like, I don't know, touristy or anything, because sometimes when people make Hawaiian print kind of looking clothes, it looks a little weird. But this seemed really cute. It caught my eye. It's this PJ set, so it looks like this. It's the kind where it has like a collar and it's buttoned down, short sleeve, looking like this. It's super cute. I love it. And then these are the shorts. I love the print. Here, let me see if I can put this on just to show you the idea of how it looks. So it looks like this. It's just buttons down and it's like you're in your PJs, and I don't know, I just thought this is super me. This is like just like my channel art. This is everything, and I could do like, I don't know, get ready with me, morning routine, stuff like that, and just be in my little like Hawaiian print PJs. Why am I posing? I don't know. Last but not least, I got this yellow mustard looking shirt. Pretty plain, but it has these cute little frilly detailings. It's white at the sleeves and at the bottom. It's on the shorter side, but it's not a crop top. It's pretty long still. And the thing that caught my eye besides the color, because I've been loving mustard color, especially against my black hair and my skin color, but this. It says Nap Queen. I don't know. I thought it was super cute. And this was only $9.99. Oh, also the pajama set was also only $9.99. And I thought that was super cheap for a pajama set. Oh no. Wait, it ranked up $16.99? I better check this. Wait, the sign literally above it says $9.99. Unless it's in $9.99 and up, and then I missed that whole thing. Oh yeah, so it was $16.99. Never mind. I'm gonna show you guys what the jean jacket looks like. Okay, so I have to like squat or kneel. You know how to talk. Ow. So this is what the jean jacket looks like. You see how long it is? It like goes down really low, but I love it. I would definitely not button it. That's just my preference. I like a jean jacket to be open. And then the back looks like this. Ow. I hope you're getting the gist of it. Like, let me raise you guys up. Let me see if I can stand up on the bed. I don't know. Looks like this. Okay, so that is everything for this vlog. That is everything for this video. So I'm gonna go on a little run around my neighborhood because it's been raining for like a month straight, and today it is sunny. So I'm gonna go on a run. It's like almost 5 o'clock, but I'm gonna go on a little walk with my kids. Yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Putty that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. And also, hi babe. And also I have a vlogging channel where I upload more videos. I think this channel I'm only uploading once a week. You see like behind the scenes of like me and my kids and like Hawaii just in general. So yeah, go subscribe to that channel as well. I'm running out of breath because I'm unfit. Okay, so mahalo again for watching. A hui hou.